coastal waters east of
Wow.
Bay and the Stelligan Bank National
Marine warning.
Sanctuary, Massachusetts Bay and Ipswich Bay, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Catching this off of NOAAweather.org.
Severe thunderstorms were located in central Massachusetts from Sterling to Shirley, moving east at 50 knots. Hazards include wind gusts to 50 knots. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Boston Harbor, Beverly Harbor, Boston buoy 44,013, Mass Bay buoy 44,029, Boston Light, Stelligan Bank, Marblehead Neck, Broad Sound, and the coastal waters east of Boston Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Here is the official...
Okay, so I see that the National Weather Service chose to air a special marine warning for Ipswich Bay, Boston Harbor, Saginaw Marine Sanctuary, Massachusetts Bay. So basically, I chose to go on there. I'm like, okay, I'm going to go check this website. And sure enough, there, I heard the 1050 hertz sound. I'm like, okay, I'm just going to listen to it. So, pretty cool that I got this. So yeah, see you from the next storm warning.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a tornado warning for western Worcester County in central Massachusetts, southeastern Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, southeastern Franklin County in western Massachusetts, east central Hampton County in western Massachusetts, until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Hadley, or near Northampton, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazards include tornado. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, Camaro ellipsis, window WS Camaro.
Wow, it's glitching. Boston needs to get their crap together, because it's glitching.
This dangerous
Right there.
storm will be near Hadley around 6:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. South Hadley around 6:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Amherst around 6:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Granby around 7:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Belchertown and Pelham around 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Massachusetts: Franklin, Hampton, Hampshire, and Worcester. Now for the official National Weather Service.
Here we go. Highland transmitter.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Orange County in southeastern New York, Putnam County in southeastern New York, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, located over Beacon, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Fonsstock State Park around 7:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Mahopek around 7:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Lake Carmel and Carmel around 7:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Brewster around 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm has a history of downing trees and power
It's glitching.
lines.
Okay.
Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Upton, New York.
Do you want a piece of ice cream?
Repeating, a severe
yeah, I'll be out in a
thunderstorm
couple.
warning has been issued until
Thanks,
7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for
Sorry,
the
that's my
following
brother.
counties in New York.
Yes, I do.
Orange and Putnam.
Wow. Whoa. Here we go. Severe thunderstorm.
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Litchfield County in northern Connecticut, northeastern Dutchess County in east central New York, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Ammonia, or 17 miles east of Runnybeck, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Sharon around 7:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Cornwall Bridge around 7:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Oh, wow.
Falls Village around 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Torrington and Norfolk around 7:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Winston around 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. New Hartford and New Hartford Center around 7:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Canton around 7:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Cornwall, West Torrington, South Canaan, Hay Vineyard, Lithgow, Hoxie Corner, Redville, Smithfield, South Ammonia, and East Litchfield. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Litchfield, Connecticut.
Why can't you just leave us alone? Come on.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Windham County in northern Connecticut.
Oh no.
Worcester County
That's
in
my
central
county. That's me.
Massachusetts, southwestern Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, east central Hampton County in western Massachusetts, northwestern Providence County in Rhode Island, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern
This
Daylight
is
Time.
not good, guys.
At 7:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Sturbridge, or 16 miles southwest of Worcester, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Ooh.
Hail damage to vehicles is possible.
I know, Mom.
Damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Worcester, Woonsocket, Cumberland, Franklin, Milford, Smithfield, Lincoln, Grafton, Webster, Southbridge, Bellingham, Auburn, Burrillville, Northbridge, Oxford, Holliston, Busbridge, Millbury, Charlton, and Medway. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Windham, Connecticut, and the following counties in Massachusetts: Hampton and Worcester.
They said Providence. Whoa.
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Berkshire County in western Massachusetts, southeastern Columbia County in east central New York, until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
It's thundering outside.
3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near
Columbia
Great
and
Barrington,
Berkshire.
moving at 50 miles per hour.
They're at Albany's at it again.
50 miles per hour wind gusts. Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Ashley Falls around 7:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Sandusfield around 7:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Otis around 7:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Tolland around 8:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Hartsville, Concord Park, Gilmora, New Boston, Alfred, Newsboy Statue, Mortville, Southfield, East Otis, and Cold Spring. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Berkshire, Massachusetts. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for northern Connecticut and southwest Massachusetts, including Hartford and Springfield, issued at 7:18 p.m.
Yep, another unexpected one. Just when I thought I was done! Come on! Here we go.
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Litchfield County in northern Connecticut, south central Berkshire County in western Massachusetts.
WXJ14 relayed this one! Holy crap!
A severe thunderstorm was located near Sandusfield, or 14 miles north of Torrington, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts.
Whoa!
Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near winds at around 8:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Near Hartford at around 8:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include South Sandusfield, North Green, Pleasant Valley, Algonquin, North Carolina, Riverton, New Boston, New Brook, Northfield, and West Norfolk. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Litchfield, Connecticut, and Berkshire, Massachusetts.
Wow. Well, it cut out.
In northern Connecticut, northeastern Dutchess County, and east central New York until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Amnia, or 17 miles east of Winnipeg, moving east at 50 miles per hour. The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Tallinn County in northern Connecticut, northwestern Hartford County in northern Connecticut, southwestern Hampton County in western Massachusetts until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time,
WXJ41 activated it. So it's WXJ42.
or 15 miles west of Westfield, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes and outbuildings. Includes Springfield, Hartford, Westfield, Windsor, Agawam,
Nope.
Broomfield, Avon, Longmeadow, Suffield, East Longmeadow,
Nope.
Windsor Locks,
Oh,
Summers,
sorry.
Granby, East Windsor, Canton, and Southwick. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: in Connecticut, Hartford and Tallinn, and Hampton, Massachusetts.